10,000 steps make you fit? Because walking is basically just for movement, it's activity. Your body requires more than that to sufficiently burn calories. Steps are just activity. Strength training is adaptation. That's what your body requires to burn efficient amount of calories and burn fat and make you fit. Walking is good for circulation. Walking is good for burning calories. Walking is good for, to some degree, I guess, mobility. But strength training is entirely different. Strength training is adaptation. Strength, muscle equals longevity. Muscle is the organ of longevity. So back in the day, when people do manual labor, they were actually fit. There's a load principle to it. There's a adaptation applied to that. When you do manual labor like tossing watermelons or construction work, it's a different load all the time, so you're adapting constantly. Those people are fit, right? And as we come to this, we're to the industrial age and all this kind of stuff, now we come to this where everything's really easy. Hardly anyone is fit because you don't have to be. You get your food delivered to your door. Everything has easy access, so you have to do any kind of labor to get it. That's why most people are overweight, or if it's not overweight, they're definitely not fit. So the solution is to do strength training, which I would push all day long, because it is matter of fact, there was a study done, and you see it probably, I went on Instagram, went on a rabbit hole yesterday, and everyone video that I opened up, women particularly, were talking about how the legs, strength training your legs is life. Back again to strength training any part of your body, but especially your legs, is life. If you think about it, if you cannot walk or get up from where you are, you cannot survive. I mean, that's how you get from point A to point B. These things that we carry around. So again, back to strength training, yeah, running is great. It increases all those things like circulation, all that stuff, but it's not going to get you the longevity that you need. Matter of fact, especially trying to get fit, you will not get to that point of being fit. You can have endurance, sure, but it makes you more frail, because if you run over and over again without doing strength training, your bones or the muscles around that supporting area will get weaker, and that way when you fall, you're liable to break something. So again, if you want to know how we do it systematically to get our 40 plus people in shape, just DM me reset, and then I'll get back to you. We have another program coming up that we're going to put for online that you can basically be a part of. So that's becoming soon, so stay tuned. I'd like to get as many people as I possibly can who are 40 plus and think this is something they could use or take advantage of. Just DM me reset. And this is Teacher Bush with Get Fit Methods. Less is more.